Let's take a look at the InstaCuppa Greek yogurt maker. You can now skip preservatives and make healthy Greek yogurt at home very easily. Let me first walk you through the product. So it has a large capacity of 2.5 liters and a BPA-free large transparent plastic bowl. It has capacity markings on it. The inner filter basket uses ultra-fine nylon mesh filter which gives you perfect and consistent results every time. It also includes a stainless steel spring and a pressure plate. It has a bigger side and a narrow side. The narrow side goes on the pressure plate and you need to turn it anti-clockwise and push inside to place it. It speeds up whey separation. The lid comes with a silicone seal and lock. Now to make Greek yogurt, you need to add your regular yogurt, that is dahi, and then place the lid. Refrigerate this bowl for 6 to 8 hours or till you get the Greek yogurt of desired consistency. You may even use the pressure plate for additional whey separation. Let me show you the thick and creamy yogurt which I got within 8 hours. Do you get crumbly paneer block when you try it at home? This will not happen anymore with this yogurt filter because with this you can even make paneer. The pressure plate ensures that the whey gets separated properly and you don't get crumbled paneer. Let it sit outside or inside your refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours and then remove the pressure plate. Here I have made paneer from 1 liter milk. You can even make paneer from 2 liters milk in one go. Look at the nice non-crumbled paneer. So perfect and fresh. I believe that this yogurt filter is a must-have for every kitchen.